And I go, yummy. I love that line. It's like eels, yummy. I think just the whole the reception you get as a king. I'm playing a king. I just didn't expect that type of reception, because you see it when you watch TV or like in the theatre or movies and stuff like that. But when you actually play it, it's just like wow, you know, the respect and the power that you get, and you can say anything and people don't really care. But what surprised me the most as well, actually, was just how much the councillors was using King Edward in order to put into laws what they wanted. So they didn't actually respect the king that much, and they expected King Edward to be like his father, and he wasn't, because he was weak. They kind of used that, so that surprised me a lot. Yeah. There was one time I was in the overground train. The overground train is in the UK, that orange line, and I didn't pay for a ticket, so I just acted really, really, really ill, so then no ticket inspector will come towards me. But no inspector came, so people just thought, who's this guy doing?